this class we can study about median. In last class we studied about arithmetic mean. Okay, then median is another average, and through median we can find out the average. Median is a positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. Then it's a positional value. That is the important thing. Median is a positional value. It is defined as that the value of the distribution on either side of which there are equal number of items when they are arranged in same order. Okay, then we are taking the middle position. That one is the median. Okay, then what is the equation for finding median? Size of n plus 1 divided by tooth item. That one is the equation for median. Size of n plus 1 divided by tooth item. Here you can see one example. Here one question is there. Item 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 25. Okay, how we can find out the median? Then what is the equation? N plus 1 divided by tooth item. N means number of observation. We already studied what is n. In mean also we were using n. Okay, then n here n equal to number of observation. Okay, then question is 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 25. That one is the question. Find out median. How we can find out median? First, we need to give some positional values. Okay, then this is 2 is the first rank or first number, 5 is the second, 6 is the third one, 8 is the fourth one, 10 is the fifth one, 15 is the sixth one, then 25 is the seventh one. Like that we need to give the positions. Then we need to find out the median. Okay, then first we need to find out the position. Then here what is the equation? Size of n plus 1 divided by tooth item. Then how many items are here? 7 items are here. 7 plus 1 divided by tooth item means 7 plus 1, what is the value? 8. 8 divided by tooth item. 8 divided by 2 means it is 4. Then size of fourth item. Okay, then here we need to find out from this question fourth item. Which one is the fourth item? This is the first, this is the second, third, fourth. Okay, then fourth item is 8. Then median equal to size of fourth item. What is the fourth item here? 8. Then answer is 8. Median equal to 8. Okay, then the important thing, we need to find out the fourth item. Means fourth item value we need to write as answer. Okay, fourth item is 8. Then median equal to 8. Okay, then how we can find out median means we need to apply the equation n plus 1 divided by tooth item. Then 7 plus 1 divided by 2, it is the fourth item. Fourth item is 8. Okay, then next we can go to next problem. Then here we need to find out the median. Then how we can find out the median? First we need to give the position. First one, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, this is the sixth position. Okay, then next one we need to write the equation. Next step is we need to write the equation. What is the equation? N plus 1 divided by tooth item. How many number of observations are there? 6 plus 1 divided by tooth item. Then we given positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. Then next step is we need to apply the values. 6 plus 1 divided by here. How many observations are there? 6. Then 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Okay. 7 divided by 2 means 3.5. Then third, and here 3.5 means we need to take the averages of third and fourth values. Here 3.5 or 4.5 or 2.5 means we need to take the two values average. The 3 next value is 4. Okay, 3.5 means we need to take the averages of third and fourth values. Third value is, what is the third value here? Third value is 12 and fourth value is 16. Okay, third and fourth value 12 plus 16 divided by 2. Next step is 12 plus 16 divided by 2. Then 12 plus 16 is 28. 28 divided by 2, answer is 14. Okay, then if the average is like this, means like 3.5 or 4.5 or 2.5, like that we are getting answer, means we need to take the two values average. 4.5 means we need to take the averages of fourth and fifth values. If it is 1.5 means first and second values. If it is fifth and 5.5 means fifth and sixth value. Okay, we need to add like this fifth and sixth value or third and fourth value and need to divide by 2, means we need to take the average of these values. Okay, then we will get the value, means averages of third item and fourth item. Okay, then we will get the answer as 14. Okay, then this is the median. Now we can study about grouped data, calculation of median in grouped data. Okay, in grouped data we can find out median through this method. Median equal to size of n plus 1 divided by tooth item. Here you can see, here it is the capital letter N. Okay, what is capital letter N? Total frequency. Okay, then in last method we were using small letter n, that one was number of observation. Okay, here it is total frequency. Then here median is, here capital letter N is total frequency. You can find out the median. Okay, this is the income, this one is X, and this is the number of person, that one is the frequency. Okay, here two columns are there, income and number of persons. Okay, then next one is we need to find out cumulative frequency. In this case we need to find out cumulative frequency. Here frequency is there, from frequency we need to find out cumulative frequency. Then first value will be same 4, next value 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 10, next one 10 plus 10, from this 10 we need to add this 10, then answer is 20, then 20 plus 15 35, then 35 plus 8 43, 43 plus 5 48, and next value 48 plus 1 49. Then we got cumulative frequency. Then next step is we need to find out n plus 1 divided by tooth item. N means total number of frequency. Total number of frequency, how much? Last value 49. Then total number, we need to add this frequency. Means 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1. We know the total of these values are 49. When we are adding these values, we will get total frequency as 49. Then 49 plus 1, it is 50. Then 50 divided by 2, it is 25. Okay. Then we got the value as 25th item. We got answer as 25th item. Then we need to find out the 25th item. Which one is the 25th item? Here we know from cumulative frequency we need to find out the 25th item. Here we know in 4 25 will not go, in 10 25 will not go, in 20 25 will not go. In which number it will go? In 35 25 will go. Okay. Means this value need to come within this value. Means within 35. With 20 means above, 25 means above 20. But in this case within 35 25 will come. Okay. Then we need to mark this column like this. Okay. We need to find out the x value. What is the x value here? 30 is the x value. Then median is 30. Okay. Then answer is 30. Median is 30. Okay. Then we got the answer as 30. Then here how we can do? We need to find out where will come this 25th item. In 20 it will not come. It will come in 35. Means we know the value of 25 will come within 35. That reason we taken this column and we taken median as 30. This x value we will take as median. Okay. Then median is 30. That one we need to remember. This x value only we will take as median. Okay. Then 50 divided by 2, 25th item, we need to find out where 25 will come. 25 will come in 35. Then we need to mark that column. Where is that x value? Again is this 35. Where is that x value? That one will be the median. Okay, then median equal to 30. Next problem. Find out median. Income 10, 20, 30, 40. Income is x. And number of person, that one is the frequency 2, 4, 10, 4. Next column, cumulative frequency 2, 6, 16, 20. Okay, need to find out median. Calculate median. Okay, then next step is, first we need to find out the cumulative frequency. First value is 2. We need to write 2. Next value 2 plus 4, 6. Next one 6 plus 10, 16. Next one 4 plus 16, 20. Okay, then we got the answer. Total frequency. What is the total frequency? Total frequency is 20, the last number. Okay. Here last final frequency, final total is 20. Then our total frequency or n equal to 20. We got n equal to 20. Then n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Here we need to do 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 21 divided by 2. Then answer is 10.5th item. Then we need to find out where it will come. 10.5. It will not come in 2. Okay, it's not possible to come in 2. Then 10.5 means we know it's more than 2. Next one 6. In 6 also it will not come. Next value is 16. In 16 10.5 will come. Then we need to mark this column. Okay, this column we need to mark. Okay, this is the median. This value is the median. Okay, this is the x, this is the median. 10.5th item means it will come in 16, and 16 where it will come? It will come in 30. Okay, then our median is 30. Okay, then we got the median as 30. Okay, this is the step to find out median.